Hi students, in earlier class we have learnt about number of atoms present in primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. So that is in cubic unit cells. Simple cubic unit cell or simple primitive cubic unit cell. Now see here, we have clearly learned if we consider it as means it is a simple or primitive cubic unit cell. Understand? So we have learned earlier. In this here there are 8 carbons present. In 8 carbons 8 atoms are there, and the contribution of each atom is 1/8. So total how many carbon? 8 means how many atoms? 8 means 8 1/8 means the total atom present in simple or primitive unit cell is 1. Now when we move to the body centered cubic unit cell, this is a primitive cubic unit cell or simple unit cell. Now see here what happens, how many atoms present or particles present or space lattice present total in the body center. This is a primitive or simple. What is mean by primitive or simple? That means in 8 corners 8 atom present. There is no atom locates or there is no lattice point present on the faces of the unit cell, means this 6 face, or there is no atoms or particles or lattice points present in the space, means in the middle of this cubic primitive unit lattice. Now when we come to the body center, in body center first one in 8 corners 8 atom present, as it remain in primitive or simple cubic unit cell. So, and what is body center means? The center of this one atom present. Understand? Or one lattice point present. It is completely located in the unit cell, means it is not, this atom or particle is not between any unit cell, means see here, if you consider this atom, this is going to share by different unit cells. Understand? Only 1/8 parts locating this one, remaining remaining 7 part is out of 8 parts, 1 part is here and remaining 7 part is in different unit cells. But here this is present in between the unit cell, that means it is completely belongs to this body centered cubic unit cell only. But whereas this 8 atoms or 8 lattice points share 1/8 parts, means how many corner lattice points are there? 8 corner lattice point there, means what is the share of each one? 1/8. And how many present? 8. So plus in middle, means middle of the unit cell, how many atoms present or lattice point present? Only 1 present. It is completely belongs to this body center unit cell. It is not going to share by any adjacent unit cell. That means the contribution of this atom is completely, means 1 into 1. So totally how much? 8 1 are 8, means 1 plus 1 is equal 2. Means in simple, in 8 corners only 8 atom present, that means each atom's contribution is 1/8. That means the total atoms in the simple or primitive unit cell is together 1. But whereas in body center, in 8 corners 8 atom presents, as well as middle of the body centered unit cell 1 atom present, it is not going to share its part by any adjacent unit cell. It is completely belongs to the body centered unit cell, means it is completely belongs to this one only, means it is 1 and 8 atoms, 8 1/8 parts, means 8 atoms 1/8 parts. That means 1 and 1 atom completely belongs to itself, that means 1 into 1 1. So 1 plus 1, totally 2 atoms presents or 2 particles or 2 lattice point present totally in body center, whereas in primitive only 1, whereas in body center it is 2. Now what about face centered? Now what about face center? Now I am rubbing it. Now see student, what about face center? So what is mean by face center? Body center means in 8 corners 8 atom present or particle present, and in the body, in the heart of the body 1 atom presents. But whereas face center, we are taking cubic unit cell. This is a cubic unit cell. Now see here what happening in this cubic. Now see here, in 8 corners 8 atoms present. It remains usual in all the unit cells. And what is face center? What is the face? Means how many faces are there for the cube? How many faces are there for cube? The cube means length, height and breadth are equal. So how many faces? Up one face, bottom one face, and all 4 sides 4 faces. Understand? So totally 6 faces. So on 6 face, 6 atoms present. So what is the contribution of face? This atoms which is located on the face. Now if we consider, suppose this is a boundary of one unit cell, and this is boundary of another unit cell. Now see here, this is a particle. Now see here, this is a face center particle, means this completely atom is shared equally into 2 halves. Means whenever we consider the atom which locates on the face, it belongs to the face centered unit cell. How much part? Only half part, means half part to adjacent unit cell. Whereas the corner atoms share their 1/8 part, and body centered atoms share it's completely, means it totally belongs to the body centered unit cell. Whereas this face lattice point only contribute half of the part to this face, means to this unit cell. That means in 8 corners, how many? 1/8 into 8 means 8 atoms share 1/8 part. And how many faces? 6 faces. On 6 faces, 6 atoms present, means 6. 1 atom contribution is how much? Half. How much? Half. So 6 into half. That means 2 ones are 2 threes are 8 ones are 8 ones are, means 1 plus 3 ones are 3. So totally how much? 4. So in face center, how many total atoms present in cubic face centered unit cell? That means total 4. How we know total 4 means? In 8 corners it is 1, and how many faces are there? 6 faces. In 6 faces, how many atoms are there? 6 atoms. What is the contribution of that atom in this unit cell? Half only, not completely. Whereas this corner is 1/8, whereas body center's lattice point is completely. But whereas this face center contribution is only half in this unit cell, remaining half in adjacent unit cell. Like that, 6 faces have total 6 lattice points, and the contribution of each lattice point is half. That means total together 4 number of particles or lattice points are present in face centered unit cell. And the next one is very, very important. The last one is that in centered unit cell only, that is end centered. What is that one? End centered unit cell. Now see here, what is end center? So this is, I am going to draw a cubic unit cell. End center means, in earlier classes I have explained centered unit cell can be divided into 3 types. What are those 3 types? Body center, face center and end center. In a body center, 8 corners, 8 points locates, as well as middle of that unit cell 1 atom locates, whereas in face centered at 8 corners 8 lattice points locates, as well as on 6 faces 6 lattice points present. Whereas what is end centered means in 8 corners 8 atoms present, in 8 corners 8 atoms present. End centered, it is also one type of centered unit cell. In centered unit cell, this is the third category. So how many faces are there for cuboid structure? 6 faces. Means what is end centered? What is end centered means in any two opposite faces. See, this is bottom face, this is top face. These both are opposite. Or this is left side, this is right side. These both are opposite. This is front side, this is back side. These both are opposite. You take any two opposite sides, means we are taking bottom side. So see here, in this face one atom present, and in top face another atom present. Means 2 points, lattice points present on two opposite sides. This type of unit cell is called as end centered unit cell. In 8 corners 8 atom present, and in two opposite sides 2 atom present, means on 2 faces. Means what is the contribution of face lattice point? Already in each face 6 present. No, what is the contribution of each part lattice point? Half. If it is corner 1 by 8. If it is corner 1 by 8. How many corner atoms are there? 8. Means each contribution is 1 by 8. Plus how many atoms or lattice points locates on the face? 2. Means what is the contribution of this 2? 1 by 2. Because those atoms present on or locates on the faces, their contribution is half. So half into how many? 2. Means 2 ones are 2 1. 8 ones are 8, means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Understand? So this is for end centered unit cell. Now totally for primitive, how many total? 1 atom presents. For body centered it is 2, and for face centered it is 4, and for end centered it is 2. So the contribution of atom per unit cell for simple or primitive, or for body centered, or for face centered, or end centered. To know its calculation, you have to remember very important point, that is 3 points. The contribution of each corner lattice point, the contribution of each lattice corner point is 1 by 8. If the same atom or lattice point present on the faces, its contribution is half. If the atom or lattice point present on the faces, the contribution is half. Whereas the atom or lattice point or particle present in body center, its contribution is full. It is completely belongs to, or it is completely resides in that unit cell only. Whereas for corner it is 1 by 8, whereas for it face center or it is end center 1 by half. If any atom that present on the face, that means the contribution is half. So this you have to remember, very important. How many effective number of atom present, we call it as effective number of atom present per unit cell. We can shown by Z also. Okay, we can shown by Z means what is the effective number of atom present in end centered unit cell. If asked, what is the answer? 2. What is the effective number of atom present in primitive unit cell? What is the answer? 1. What is the effective number of atom present in face centered unit cell? That means what is the answer? 4. So this is very important, you have to remember. Please note it down.